safe to say I earned it, ain't a nigga gave me nothing. I'm ready to hop out on a nigga, get the bus. Know you heard me say you play, you late, don't make me push the butt. Full of pain, dropped enough tears to fill up a fucking buggers. I bought a chopper, nothing, I'm ready to air it out on my niggas. I can say I'm running. Just talk to my mom, she hit me on FaceTime. Check up on me, my brother. Baby, she know that the youngest son was always guaranteed to get the money. Okay, let's go. She know that the baby boy was always guaranteed to get the loot. She know what I do, she know if I run from a nigga, I'll put it out. PTSD, I'm always waking up and going stressed like I got the flu. My daughter a G, she saw me kill a nigga before the age of 2. And I'd kill another nigga too, before I let another nigga do something to you. As long as you know that, don't let nobody tell you different, daddy love you. Let's go. Brand new Lamborghini, fucking cop car, with a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever met a real nigga rock star? This ain't no guitar, bitch, this a Glock. My Glock told me to promise you gon' sleep. You better let me go the day you leave. So when you up me on that nigga, get the bus. And if I ain't enough, then you chop.
Keep a Glockin' when I ride in the Suburban. Cause the codeine had a young nigga swerving. I got the mop, watch me wash him like detergent. And I'm ballin', that's why it's diamonds on my chest. Slide on outside and flip the block back, yeah. My junior popped them and left him lopsided.
Sound effects link in description. Gaming sound effects at youtube.com. Gaming sound effects. Go to that YouTube channel and you can download so many sound effects. It's not funny and it's very easy to do.
Called me at the gas station, had it on me 30,000, thought it was my last day, but they ain't even want no smoke. If I had to choose it, murder would she roll?
Let's go. Brand new Lamborghini, fucking cop car, with a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever met a real nigga rock star? This ain't no guitar, bitch, this a Glock. My Glock told me to promise you gon' sleep. You better let me go the day you leave. So when you up me on that nigga, get the bus. And if I ain't enough, go get the chop. A nigga barely read the scripture, but I'm spiritual. Let's go.
Please hit subscribe below this video. Hit subscribe to this YouTube channel immediately. Thank you. We've got sound effects for music.
Shit, I got feelings too. Let's go. Nigga, we was broke. I broke you up. Shit, we had to steal our food.
We've got sound effects for sports. And we've also got heaps of sound effects for gaming and Fortnite, Minecraft, League of Legends. We are the sound effects kings when it comes to gaming. Check it out. Gaming sound effects at YouTube. So head over to my channel and download as many sound effects as you want and have a great time. Take as many sound effects as you want. They're easy downloadable links in the description and they're all for free.
Trying to keep my eyes on my